Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to turn off the read receipt on Instagram application. So basically the read receipt is information that the sender of the message will get after you read their message that they sent to you. So if you don't want that the people who send you message get notified whenever you read the message, do this instead. Open your Instagram application and take a look on this bottom section. Go click your profile. Go click this three straight lines and go visit the settings and privacy. And now you just need to scrolling up until you find how others interact with you. And now you just need to go click messages and story replies. And now you will see, who can see that you're online. There will be two options, and one of them is show read receipt. Go click it. And we want to turn it off, go click this button. And you're done. So that's basically how the way you turn off the read receipt on Instagram. So now the sender of the message will not gonna know whenever you read the message that they send to you. So that's the way, guys, how to turn off the read receipt on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to see you for the next tutorial.